Let's go with this question. In this question, they are saying a body of mass 2 kg is acted upon by two forces, 2 Newton and 5 Newton in the direction, and they have given the direction. If a body is displaced from 3, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, position in meter, then work done is. Okay. So let us see how those forces are acting over there. So you can say sir, F1 force will become equal to what? So they told you magnitude values to. Okay. Direction value we will write down in terms of unit vector. So I cap plus j cap is given over there. So you can convert in unit vector. How you will convert? You can divide it by under root of a square plus b square. Means this value will become what? Under root 2. So here 2 is our magnitude and this is our unit vector. In the same way, you can get the value for F2 also. F2 value will become equal to what? You will say 5 multiplied with unit vector will become equal to what here? We are having here j minus k. We will divide it by under root of 2. So we got the force over here, right? Now what is happening? A body is displaced from 3, minus 2, 1 to minus 1, 2, 3. So you can say in this way also. So they are constant force. So we can write down directly. Work done is what here? Force dot displacement. Now we are having here two force. So it will come from two force. So you can say force value come like what? F1 dot displacement plus F2 dot displacement. So what will happen over here? Let us take displacement common. So what will come over here? F1 plus F2. If you calculate this particular part, what you will get? Here we are having I, so it will become what? 2 by under root 2 times of I cap. Here we are having 2j divided by root 2. Here we are having 5j divided by root 2. 5 plus 2 will become equal to what? 7 divided by root 2 times of j. Now k is in minus, so you can say minus 5 by under root of 2 times of k. It is our force. Dot displacement. Displacement will become what? Final minus initial. So minus 1 minus 3 will become what? Minus 4 I cap. 2 minus minus 2 will become what? Plus 4 j cap. 3 minus 1 will become what? 2 times of k cap. So I will multiply with I, j will multiply with j, k will multiply with k. If I'll keep 1 by root 2 aside, so what will happen over here? 2 into minus 4 will become what? Minus 8. Then what will happen? 7 into 4 will become equal to what? 28. 5 into 2 will become equal to what here? 10. So what I'm getting? 28 minus 18. I'm getting something like this. 10 divided by root 2. You can rationalize it. Multiply and divide by root 2. Answer will become equal to what here? 5 under root 2 joules. So according to this, correct answer will be our option number 2. Let's go with this question. In this question, they are saying a force F is equal to 3I cap plus 4J cap Newton acts on a particle moving in XY plane. Starting from origin, the particle first goes along x-axis 2.4, 0 and then parallel to y-axis 2.4, 3. The total work done by the force on the particle is. So we can see here that F is our constant force. If F is a constant force, so we can directly say force dot displacement will become equal to what? Work done. So you can directly take the dot product. What is our force here? We are having here 3I cap plus 4J cap. Displacement will become what? Final position minus initial position. Final position is our 4, 3. Initial is our 0, 0. So it will become like what here? 4I cap plus 3J cap. Now if we take the dot product over here, 3 into 4 will become 12. 4 into 3 will also become 12. 12 plus 12 will become equal to what here? 24. Answer will become equal to what here? Plus 24 joules. Let's go with this question. In this question, they are saying a particle of mass 0.1 kg is subjected to a force F which varies with distance x as shown. If it starts its journey from rest at x equal to 0, then its speed at x equal to 12 is. So here, when you see the graph, they have given gap between force and displacement. So you can say we are having variable force. Okay. So work done value will become what? You can say net work done value will be the integral of dw. Integral of dw will become what? Integral of f dot dx. We are having here one displacement in one direction only. So you can say, sir, whenever we are having integral relation means what? Area under the curve. Area under curve. So if you'll apply over WET, that is our work energy theorem, you will say work done by all forces is equal to change in kinetic energy. So work done value will become equal to what? Just now we talked, it will become equal to area. You can consider it like one trapezium. So trapezium area will become what? You know about the formula 1 by 2 height into sum of parallel side. So height value will become what here? 10. This will be your height and these are the parallel sides. Okay. So you can say 1 by 2 times of height. Sum of parallel side will become what? 4 to 8, 4 plus 12 length is how much here to here? It's 12. So it will become work done by all force equal to change in kinetic energy. So it will become what? 1 by 2 times of m into v square minus initial they told it is starting from rest. So it will become what? 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. If you remove this decimal, this side what will come over here 10, it will become what 100 into 12 plus 4 will become equal to what here 16 is equal to v square. Means v value will become equal to how much over here 40 meter per second. Correct answer will be our option number third. Let's go with this question. In this question they are saying a 5 kg body is fired vertically up with a speed 200 meter per second. Just before it hits the ground, its speed is 150 meter per second. Over the entire trip, the work done by gravity is. So you will say, say one object is shown upward, so later part it will come to downward also. So its displacement value will become equal to how much? 0. So work done by gravitational force will become equal to how much over here? 0. Because here in this case displacement itself is 0. So correct answer will be your option number 4.